Do you know that 20% of hair breakage is as a result of lack of moisture? So come with me today as I take you on the journey of learning and implementing. Hello again and welcome back to my channel. I'm Abigail Roland, and on this channel we post everything hair. We also sell hair care products that help your hair grow and strive. So if you're interested in purchasing our products, you can reach us to us on WhatsApp with the numbers on the screen, or check the description box to get our numbers, and don't forget to send us a DM today. And we also post DIYs that you can do from your kitchen to help you take care of your hair. We also post tips and tricks to grow your hair naturally. So in today's video, like I said, is 20% of lack of hair breakage is as a result of lack of moisture. So when we talk about moisture, what do you mean? So moisture simply means how your hair tends to retain water on your hair or product on your hair. So talking about moisture, this is one of the ingredients that helps moisturize your hair that we're going to be discussing today on this video. So which brings me to our topic today. Our topic is hair butters. Yes, hair butter is a nutrient-rich hair care product that offers numerous benefits for a healthy and beautiful hair. Yeah, so that brings us to the next question. We say, what is hair butter? When you meet some people and you're like, I'm using an hair butter for my hair, you're wondering, what is hair butter? Most people do not know what is hair butter. Now, hair butter is a type of a hair care product that is typically made from natural ingredients such as plant-based oils, butters, and waxes. So it is designed to provide an intense moisturization and nourishment, and it also protects the hair and scalp. So this is hair butters. It's a plant-based ingredient. So the next on our list is, what are the characteristics of hair butters? If you want to know if this hair care product is butter, one of the things or one of the characteristics you need to look at for, I'm going to be listing right now. So number one is that hair butter is thick and rich texture. Yes, it is very thick and it's rich in rich in texture. Now hair butter is usually thick and rich. It's usually thick and rich with a creamy whip consistency. Very thick, rich with a creamy whip consistency. So the number two characteristic of hair butters is that it's a natural ingredient. It is a natural ingredient. Hair butter is a natural ingredient. Hair butter is typically made from natural ingredients such as coconut oil, shea butters, argan oil, and beeswax. So the next characteristic of hair butter is moisture. Now that so don't mind me, I'm actually taking my time using my notes here. So I might be looking downwards severally because I'm using my notes here. So the third characteristics of hair butters, the third thing you should look out for when purchasing a product or when deciding to buy a product to know if it's an hair butter, it is that the hair butters is actually moisture. It has a moisturizing properties. Yes, it does have a moisturizing property. It is designed to provide a long-lasting moisturization to your hair and scalp. So after applying an hair butter in your hair, maybe 10 minutes later, 20 minutes, an hour later, you can actually rub your hand. Maybe you've not put your hair in a protective style. You can actually rub your hand on your hair and be able to notice the creamy effect, the moisturizing effect of the hair butter on your hair. So the fourth characteristics of hair butter is that it is a protective barrier. When I mean protective barrier, what does it mean? So it's a protective barrier. So hair butter it creates a protective barrier around the hair, shielding it from environmental damages and dryness. So most times we know here, I'm here in Nigeria, so most times the weather here is actually very hot most times. So when you're going out, always ensure you've moisturized your hair with an hair butter, because the sun and the environment is going to cause damages and environmental stressors on your hair. So hair butter provide a barrier for this environmental. This brings me to the next question you might be thinking already. So the next question is types of hair butters. Type of hair butter. type of hair butter. Number one, we have the shea butter. Huh? This one, I love this ingredient, this natural ingredient called shea butter. Okay, I'm going to read in here from my notes for you. It says shea butter is made from nuts of the shea tree. Shea butter is a popular hair butter that provides intense moisturization. My God, I love it, but I love shea butter. Honestly, I do. I use it in my products. I use it in my hair care routine. So when I see something like this, I'm like, oh my God, my hair, my hair is actually growing, is thriving. So the next type of butter is coconut oil butter. Coconut oil butter. Coconut oil butter is made from coconut oil. Coconut oil butter is a lightweight and non-greasy hair butter. It has this lightweight. It's not as heavy as the shea butter. Shea butter is actually a heavy weight product, while the coconut oil hair butter is a lightweight non-greasy hair butter. So the third types of butter is the mango butter. Mango butter is made from the mango kernel. The mango butter is made from the mango kernel oil. Mango butter is a rich and nourishing hair butter. Mango butter is a rich and nourishing hair butter. Now the fourth type of hair butter here on my list is cocoa butter. Now cocoa butter is made from cocoa beans. Cocoa butter is a rich and moisturizing hair butter. So number one, my favorite on this list is the shea butter. I do not play with my shea butter at all. I do not play with this hair butter. I love it. It is one of the. So one thing I like about the shea butter, which is my favorite on the list, is that shea butter is very very moisturizing. It actually helps grow your hair. So that's my favorite on the list. So let's discuss benefits of hair butters. So on this list, I'm going to be discussing 5 benefits of hair butters. So number one benefit of hair butter is that it moisturizes and hydrates hair. It moisturizes and hydrates hair. So hair butter provides a long-lasting moisturization to the hair and scalp. One of the benefits of hair butter is that it provides a long-lasting moisturization for your hair and scalp. So you might put in an hair butter on your hair, let's just say yesterday or today or earlier, or maybe very early in the morning. Maybe you want to do a wash and go, and you put in an hair butter on your hair. That hair butter is going to stay there on your hair for at least 3 to 4 days on your hair. So hair butter provide a long lasting moisturization for your hair and scalp. So the number two benefit of hair butter is that it repairs and protects the hair. Hair butters repairs and protects the hair from damage caused by heat styling tools, sun exposure, and environmental stressors. So that's the number two benefit of hair butters. So then that brings me to the number three benefit. Number three benefit of hair butter is that it promotes hair growth. Oh jeez, I can't talk about this enough. So number three benefit of hair butter is that it promotes hair growth. I can't scream this loud enough. Like when I started using hair butter in my hair routine, I saw that my hair actually started growing well. My hair reduced in breakage. My hair became, because I have this 4B and 4C natural hair. So my hair is not the 4C hair like that. So it's a mixture of 4B and 4C, but it's more of 4B natural hair. So my hair is very light in texture, not too thick in texture, but light in texture. So when I started using hair butters on my hair, I noticed that my hair added volume. Yeah, my hair added volume. I can't overemphasize the benefit of hair butter. My hair added volume. My hair that was thin, any little product you put on it, it will just lie there flat, not growing, just there. When I started using hair butters, my hair blew up, started growing, and became very thick, very thick. You can see the weight of my hair here, thick. My hair was not like this before. So the number four benefit of hair butter is that it smooths scalp blunder. It smooths the scalp from irritation. Yes. Hair butters help smooth your scalp from irritation. So what I have on my notes here says hair butter can help smooth the scalp from irritation, itchiness, and inflammation. I've heard some people say, I don't use hair butters. I don't like hair butters. Sister, girl, you are missing out. Yes, you are. Hair butters help fight those things you might be thinking that is the cause of what you are experiencing on your hair. Hair butters help with inflammation. It helps with irritation. It helps with itchiness. All the time you're always itching your hair. You're fighting dandruff. Hair butters help with those hair care hair care problems you might be experiencing. So the number five, the number five benefit of hair butter is that it reduces breakage and split end. It reduces breakage and split end. And I'm not even mixing word. I'm not trying to cajole you to buy hair butters or try hair butters or buy from me. But try it. Get hair butters and try it on your own. Hair butters reduce breakage and split end. When I started using hair butter, I told you when I was saying number three benefit of this hair butters is that hair butters help with split end. All the time the tips of your hair is always thinner and is always cutting from the tip. Hair butters helps with breakage and split end. Try using hair butters and you see the difference. Don't forget we sell hair care products such as hair butters, hair growth oil, hair growth boosters, and the deep conditioners and black Africana shampoo. So do not forget to send us a DM today. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do help us promote this video by subscribing to this channel. If you have not, leave us a like and a comment below. And thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on our next video. Until then, bye.